I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't wait for a single reason not to say goodbye. Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide.
You've probably heard of many Cadillacs, but have you ever seen this? Yes guys, today's short wheel series is about the custom Cadillac Fleetwood, and we are gonna unbox it. But before that, this is... So looking at the, hot rodish Cadillac, I really don't know what to say about this car, guys. Like, the actual Fleetwood doesn't look anything like this one. I mean, oh my gosh, look at its design. I can't even believe this is a Cadillac, but it is a custom one though. It's got 8 out of 10 in Rod Squad, guys. Not the same without the Hot Wheels flames. And yes, this is without a doubt a Hot Wheel. And there's nothing much at the back, guys, just some general motor stuff, as usual. Nothing interesting. So yeah, the interesting part is the front. I really want to unbox this car, and yeah, this car doesn't exist, so that's quite a disappointment. Well, let's just go for the unboxing, guys. Can't wait to just take it out of the box. Now, looking at the Fleetwood, guys, I don't know whether to be impressed by the first look or to be disappointed, because this is not like a car at all. It's more like a hot rod, and yeah, I can't describe hot rods, that's not my thing. Yeah, this car is pretty much okay on the details, I guess. I really can't say that too. The interior is okay, fine, like, and there's a glass covering the passenger side seat. And yeah, it looks more like a dragster to me, and there's no name at the bottom except for the code X10635 or something. And the front tires are pretty slim. That's not an issue. I guess it's cool. The only half part of the car is metal. The rest of it is complete plastic. Kind of feels like a cheap plastic though. Well, yeah guys, that's the round look, and the exhaust is right here, and on the other side too. Yeah, that's about it in this car, guys. So why don't we just go for the info? Right, on to the info of the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Well, to say there's nothing. Yes, I actually researched a lot about this car and I found nothing, guys. I mean, this is the custom Cadillac, but still, there was no info on the internet or any other website I could search, so I'm terribly sorry, guys. There is no info on this thing, so it's pretty much like a show. You guys can take a look at it for much more longer. Well, that's all I can say, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.